Learn today. Preposition. Let us look at some questions on prepositions for grade 2, class 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. Molly Pig is dash the house. The options are outside, upon, before, after. The answer is outside. Molly Pig is outside the house. There are many ornaments dash the Christmas tree. The options are outside, on, before, after. The answer is on. There are many ornaments on the Christmas tree. There is a ball dash the table. Outside, under, at, after. The answer is under. The ball is under the table. The sun is dash the clouds. Outside, behind, before, after. The answer is behind the clouds. A fox is sitting dash the shade of the tree. The options are at, in, before, after. The answer is in. A fox is sitting in the shade of the tree. The river flows dash the bridge. The options are over, under, before, after. The answer is under. I bought a gift dash my mother. The options are over, for, before, after. The answer is for. I bought a gift for my mother. Bring water dash the tap. The options are over, from, before, after. The answer is from. Bring water from the tap. November comes dash December. Over, before, later, after. The answer is before. November comes before December. Ram is talking dash his brother dash the phone. The options are by, in, to, on, to, by, in. The answer is to, on. Ram is talking to his brother on the phone. The class starts dash 9 and 10 a.m. At, between, on, by. The answer is between. The class starts between 9 and 10 a.m. The cat is hiding dash the sofa. The options are after, behind, on, for. The answer is behind. The cat is hiding behind the sofa. My school is dash a hospital. After, near, through, for. The answer is near. My school is near a hospital. My father goes to work dash night and comes back dash morning. The options are in/in, at/in, at-out, in/at. The answer is at/in. My father goes to work at night and comes back in morning. My friend lives dash his grandma. At, with, in, on. The answer is with. My friend lives with his grandma. Thank you.